So hello everyone, today we will learn about data types in C. In previous video we learned about keywords and identifiers. So today we will learn about data types in C. Data types in C. What is data type? So in C programming, a data type defines the type of data a variable can store and how much memory it occupies. So in C programming, a data type defines the type of data a variable can store. A variable is what? A variable is a container where we can store a value or data. So data type is the type of data a variable can store and how much memory it occupies. It tells compiler what kind of value a variable can hold. So data type tell the compiler tells the compiler that what kind of the value a variable can hold. For example, if a variable is declared as int, it can store whole numbers like 10, 500, any number. And if a variable is declared as float, it can store decimal numbers like 3.14, 5.67. Next point, types of data types in C. So in C programming, data types are classified into different categories based on their purpose and memory uses. There are primary data types, which are like int, float, double, character, void. Second types are derived data types, which are array, pointer, structure, union. And third is user defined data type, which are like structure, union, enumeration, and type def. So there is three data types: primary, derived, and user defined data types. So today we will learn about basic data type or primary data types in C. So in primary data types, at first we will learn about integer data type, which keyword is int. It is used to store the whole numbers like positive, negative, zero, any number it can store. It can store only the whole numbers. Memory size 2 bytes or 4 bytes. It varies system by system. In 16-bit system, it can be 2 bytes, and in 32-bit system, it can be 4 bytes. So value range for 2 bytes minus 32768 to 32767 plus. And for 4 byte minus 3 minus 2 147483648 to 147483647. So percentage d is used to printf to print an int. So percentage d is used. Percentage d is the format specifier for printf function, print an integer data type thing. So here we will learn how to print the integer data type. So I'm going to my online compiler here. So now in compiler, we will learn how to print the integer type of variable. So what plus header file and main function. Then I'm taking my variable as age and I'm assigning it 25, initializing. After that, I'm using printf function, percentage d, which is the format specifier for integer, and I'm printing my age. So after that, age, semicolon, and here I am printing my age, integer value. Then you can give any number positive to negative, like to minus 25 also you can give that, but that's age can't be minus 25, so you can give a is 25, sorry. So there, There we have to give A. So you can see that A is minus 25. So in integer data type, we can print positive, negative, and zero value. So next, after that, we will learn about floating point data type for this float. So floating point used to store decimal number, real number. Decimal numbers, it memory size is 4 bytes and value range plus minus 3.4 into 10 to the power minus 28 to plus minus 3.4 into 10 to the power 38. Precision 6 to 7 decimal places it can take, and percentage A format specifier used to print the float values, and percentage point 2 F which limit it to 2 decimal places, only 2 decimal places. So now I'm going to my compiler and run a floating point. Float value. Print a float value. So float price equal to, I'm giving this value. After that, I have to print the value with using printf, and I'm using percentage point 2f for printing only 2 decimal values after that. So price and semicolon and return 0. So see what, yes. So float point is 10.9. Here if we give 10.995 or 67, it will print only up to 2 decimal number. Okay. So let's see that. Yeah. So it is printing 11.00 because 10.99 is 11. So I'm giving 10.23456. So now see that, yeah, 10.23. Double precision floating point of data type used for higher precision decimal numbers. Memory size 8 bits. 8 bytes. Sorry, bits and bytes are not same. So 8 bytes. Value range is this, and precision is 15 to 16 decimal number. So here in float, we learned that precision is 6 to 7 decimal number for percentage, but for float, but here 15 to 16 decimal places. So percentage LF format specifier is used for double. So now see in the compiler, double value. So double, I'm giving pi. Pi is 3.1415925 Okay. So I'm printing the value for double. Value of pi is percentage LF, which is the format specifier for double, slash n to the pi, semicolon. It is must for every C program. Then run. So value of pi is 3.141592. Okay, so this is about double. After that, Next basic data type is character data type. Character data type keyword is character. Used to store single numbers, letters, digits, symbols. Memory size 1 byte and value range signed character -128 to 127 and unsigned character 20 to 255. So the difference between signed and unsigned is what signed will print um, positive or negative. Two things. But unsigned a character will only print the positive number. So percentage C is used to print character values. After that, I'm going to my compiler. Okay. So there we will print a character data type. So here keyword for character, grade, printf, grade is percentage C slash backslash n. Percentage C is the format specifier for character data type. After that, grade semicolon. So C, grade is A. So it is a character data type. Then go to my PowerPoint presentation and after that, void data type. Void data type represent no value used in function do not return a value, generic pointers. The void data type is a type of data which the returns no value. Like int returns 0, but void returns nothing. It returns no value. So that's all about void data type. Now let's go to the compiler. Now let's print a program for void data type. So void, I'm taking greet, void greet. So in void greet, I am printing hello C learners. And after that, also adding \n. After that, in int main function, I'm calling the greet function. So see what it will return. What is out? So hello C learners. So it will return no value. So that's all about today.